That's locked. It's a lot higher. Okay, just hope it's high enough. So now, 2 cars back in action. Okay, 2 cars back in action. We'll just finish up the safety chains, breakaway switch. That's locked. Pick this up. Nice. This is the breakaway. Uh-oh. Maybe this way. Here it goes. And one more chain. My guy was telling me that just fixed my truck that he prefers the fifth wheel over the gooseneck, but I'm used to the gooseneck already, so I'll mess with this. You know what, I'll just get it out the way. This is my only option right now. Just lock this down, and I'll just keep these, oh shit, I'll just keep these 2 wrenches with me whenever I decide to well, we have no more adjustment, so that is what it is right there. So we'll lock this down. I should actually loosen this one. No, that's fine. So this one's locked well. This one is questionable, but we'll leave it alone for now. That's torqued down by yours truly. Oh shit, we got a spare up here. I was wondering if we needed to buy one, so we got the spare. Okay, it's really high. Shit. Well, like I said, the whole goal is to get the back down enough. So this is done. We're not gonna move this truck anymore today. Let's go to the I forgot what these are called. Not single. This is yeah, single cab. What you know about that body work, my boy? Shee. Got the body work done on that joint. We're gonna add the I'm gonna add the gooseneck to this, so this truck can be a full backup to that truck, because that breakdown was really unexpected and I had to cancel some work. Let's see what that co-start do. Might have to throw some starting fluid in it. No big deal. Be like that. Days are getting warmer and we won't have to do this much longer. Sorry, motor. Please don't get mad at me. Oh, we gotta warm you up to go get the C10, baby. Last time it stayed on, second to last time it turned off. So we're gonna be on standby. Other than the safety pin, this one's ready to go. We're gonna pick up the C10 in this joint. Load the C10, load the 30-inch Corleones. Ah, she stayed on, and we gone. I gotta drop this snow plow soon. Bought it with the truck, but it's in the way up there, so we're gonna bring that down. throw it behind the box Chevy over there. Oh, speaking of that, I gotta get gas. I gotta get gas for the box Chevy. I already talked to Nico about the box Chevy. He said to let him know when it's going by Chris's West Side Auto, and then Nico will knock out the interior. Let me get my bag and let me get to work, y'all. Picking up the C10. Be back in a bit. All right, feast your eyes on this beast, my boy. I believe it's an 83 Chevy C10. Got this bad boy in on a trade for the Excursion Monster. Where they do that at? We're gonna go ahead and get this dash did by Nico, West Side Auto Interior. I bought it with the seat cover, so maybe I'm just gonna have him secure this. Well, goddamn! Didn't realize how loud this thing was. It's noisy. Fucking noisy, my boy. Get the fuck up! Shit. Can't even hear myself think in this bitch. Window stuck. I can see it trying to move. What the hell? What the hell? Alright, the battery says good percentage, so I don't know what the problem is now with GoPro shutting off. Memory card got some still got some room. Always something, my boy, always something. I don't know why this thing's giving me a hard time. 39 minutes available on the memory card. 92% battery. Just odd that it keeps shutting off. Could be the cold, but I have filmed in colder days. Well, nonetheless, I got the C10 loaded up. One win.
One win.
One ticket. Only one ticket wins.
Exciting.
I've had people buy 10 tickets. They don't win shit. Guy buys 1 ticket, takes it home. You know?
Hell yeah. Hey. Where get this motherfucking trailer from?
Wisconsin. Wisconsin, I got it a few years ago. I got it for the very first Rick Ross car show.
For real?
Yeah. That's when I bought, was it like 4 years ago?
Yeah.
4 or 5 years ago? Alejandro! Yeah, I'm just gonna get as many as I can first. Up in here. Yeah. The back one's a 7-inch lip.
I tell them motherfuckers what these motherfuckers. I tell them. I know. Yeah. Don't fucking scratch my shit, motherfucker. That's him, motherfucker.
Square body, yeah. Ay, cabrón.
Papelete de la rifa, pues. La van a rifa.
Voy con Chris de volada. Alright, I'm gonna go drop this off, my boy. Oh no, it's straight.
Yeah, you gotta get a muffler.
Straight pipe. You need a muffler, huh?
Yeah.
Muffler. Get it quieter?
Yeah, it's way quieter. You don't want to sound like that. Chroma's gonna make it sound good.
Little 7-inch lip. That's cute. 30s.
7-inch liquid off 40.
Oh, with the new face.
I ain't never seen nobody do that motherfucker like that.
I got it. It's clean,
I know,
but it's loud.
Yeah, I'm talking about that
Straight pipe.
Just like that, cut it. Make
Right where it's at.
Yep. This will come down like that. It comes down to that water. This will come down. This just sounds real good, Marco. Down. Brake lines, yeah. Look how right truck. This is everybody riding now. This is your money for this motherfucker. The red and the rear goes over here.
Yeah. That was by mistake. I didn't know I had the red in the rims. I got the steering wheel on the way.
That's the perfect invention of pinstripe.
Yeah. That was straight coincidence.
Meant to be. It was meant to be.
Right?
Yeah.
And then it looks like it's more into the other side. The whole body's all fucked up.
What is it on now?
Right there, switching the frame.
Oh, okay. Damn.
But he wants a.
Oh yeah, it's on the frame.
It's on the frame, but he wants it to tuck.
And he wants it in.
Yeah, he wants it tucked. So I'm gonna have to go at least 2 more inches in.
So it's gonna be that back half then, no?
Yeah. I'm thinking about that white one.
And what size tire is that? What size rim is that, Marco?
30,
What I did to that white
You
one.
need to go with a smaller tire.
Nah.
315, 30, 30. You know what?
It's touching the.
You gotta go with a smaller tire.
You think I should go with this tire for the Corleones? 315, 30, 30? Like 315, 25 or something.
But they're big enough. The front feet is big enough room.
No, this is for the back
Oh,
wheel.
the back. I think they'll clear it because the back time tiene un chingo de room. These things have a lot.
Yeah.
Of room.
Man, that fucking thing is not gonna work.
I want to see y'all do this.
Oh, my toes already cut and tough and everything for this.
Yeah, bro.
I have been extra because he already knew that